Hey guys, we're going to read a story called A Horse Named Jack by Linda Hayden. All right. When Jack greets children on the farm, he's friendly, frisky, full of charm. Ooh, farm and charm have the same ending sound. They are rhyming words. Today, no kids have come to play. Poor Jack's been stuck inside all day and play. He's feeling restless and ignored. He can't help being bored. So Jack performs his favorite trick. He lifts his latch with one soft click. Uh-oh, he snuck out. Two hinges creak. Jack loves that sound. He clip-flops out to look around. Three roosters cock-a-doodle-doo. Jack whinnies out a greeting, too. He shakes four grain sacks. Rip, they tear, and oats go flying everywhere. Five kittens snoozing in the sun. Jack licks their fur. Away they run. 6 bales of hay so green and sweet, just waiting there for Jack to eat. He watches 7 spiders spin. Ew, something sticky on his chin. Jack flings his head. His eyes grow wide as 8 small piglets squeal and hide. He spies 9 apples on the shelf. Jack reaches in and helps himself. He's going to get in trouble. 10 fuzzy ducklings flap and splash. Jack wades in and out they dash. Jack sniffs the air. At last he's free. Yum, what's that smell? He'll go and see. Look how nice this garden grows. Tasty carrots, rows and rows. Oh my goodness, he's going to get in trouble. Why, there's his neighbor. See her run. Perhaps she's come to join the fun. But what are all those angry shouts? And what's she so upset about? She's throwing down the garden hoe. It's time for Jack to go, go, go. 10 tomatoes whizzing past. That neighbor lady's really fast. Juicy cherries run like rain, fall like rain. 9 kersplat in Jack's long mane. He'll have to hurry, have to race, for now 8 dogs have joined the chase. 7 cats, 6 songbirds too. 5 squawking chickens coming through. 4 bumblebees buzz by his ear. At last, hooray, the barn is near. Jack leaps across 3 hollow logs. He gallops past 2 bug-eyed frogs. 1 muddy puddle lies ahead. Jack tries to jump, but trips instead. Oh my goodness. He's slipping, sliding down the trail, caked with mud from head to tail. Through the barnyard gate he skids. Jack's home at last. Hey, look, the kids. Oh, Jack, they laugh and pet his nose. Before we play, we'll need the hose. The end. That was so cute. Jack was a silly horse.